Have you ever wondered where some of the world's most beautiful marble and granite come from? Well, welcome to Yunfu Stone Market, located in Guangdong Province, China, the country's largest stone trading and manufacturing hub. Every year, millions of tons of natural and engineered stone pass through this incredible city, making it one of the most important centers of the global stone industry. Yunfu's connection with stone dates back more than 1,500 years. During ancient times, local craftsmen discovered the region's rich marble deposits and began producing stone carvings, sculptures, temples, and architectural decorations. Their skills were passed down from generation to generation, creating a tradition that still exists today. The modern stone industry began expanding rapidly during the 1980s and 1990s, when China's economic reforms encouraged private businesses and international trade. Factories invested in advanced cutting, polishing, and engraving machines, transforming Yunfu into a world-class manufacturing center. So, today, Yunfu is home to thousands of stone companies, including quarries, importers, exporters, processing factories, and, well, wholesale markets. The city actually imports premium marble, granite, quartzite, travertine, and other natural stones from countries such as Italy, Brazil, Turkey, India, Egypt, and Spain. These raw blocks are then cut, polished, and transformed into luxury flooring, countertops, wall panels, monuments, sculptures, and, custom architectural designs. One of the biggest attractions in Yunfu is its enormous stone market, where buyers from around the world come to explore thousands of varieties of natural and engineered stone. Architects, builders, interior designers, and wholesalers all visit the city to source materials for hotels, airports, shopping malls, luxury homes, and, of course, skyscrapers. Technology plays a huge role in Yunfu's success. Many factories now use CNC machines, robotic cutting systems, laser engraving, AI-assisted design software, and automated polishing lines to improve precision and efficiency. These innovations really help manufacturers produce complex stone products while reducing waste. Despite its industrial growth, Yunfu has really managed to preserve its artistic heritage. Skilled craftsmen here continue to create hand-carved statues, fountains, memorials, and decorative sculptures that are admired all around the world. The city has successfully combined centuries-old craftsmanship with modern manufacturing technology. Today, Yunfu exports stone products to more than 100 countries, making it one of the leading stone trade centers in Asia. Its influence can actually be seen in iconic buildings, luxury hotels, public monuments, and residential projects across the globe. As demand grows for sustainable construction materials, many Yunfu companies are now investing in environmentally friendly production methods, water recycling systems, dust control technologies, and energy-efficient equipment to reduce their environmental impact. From ancient stone carving traditions to cutting-edge automated factories, Yunfu has become a symbol of China's manufacturing excellence. Whether you're interested in architecture, construction, business, or industrial technology, Yunfu Stone Market offers a fascinating look into one of the world's largest stone trading and processing centers. If you enjoyed this journey inside China's largest stone market, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing stories about the world's biggest industries and manufacturing hubs.